Chris, owner of Koberlein Environmental. Thanks for checking out another one of our videos. So it's the first week of August, and I was thinking that the season's starting to wrap up a little bit. I'm not trying to hasten the end of summer, but I thought we'd do a quick video for the second homeowners up here in the Catskills and Poconos. One thing to think about when you're thinking about closing your home is pumping your septic tanks, and the timing of that pump is something that may be a little counterintuitive. You don't want to do it the last week you're at the house, and here's the reason why. If we pump your tank in October or November and then you go home for the winter, you may have an empty septic tank if you don't use on it before you go, and you don't want to leave your tank empty through the winter. If you do, you may have issues with groundwater pushing the tank up. You may have issues with freezing and cracking in the tank. So really the best practice is, if you want to clean your tank before the end of the season, do it a week or even 2 weeks before you leave for the winter, so that there is some water in that tank, and that'll help stabilize the walls of the tank and help prevent it from what we call floating by being pushed up with groundwater. So that's a thought for those that own a second home. If you have any questions, give us a call. Our number is 570-253-3660. You're always able to leave us a comment below if you want to reach us online. And if you like this video, please feel free to share it with your friends. If you're a customer, we appreciate your business. Thank you. If we can help you, if you'd like to be a customer, just reach out. We'll do our best for you. Thank you. We appreciate your business.